Hello friends, today in this video let us see question 3 of exercise 8.3 chapter 8 trigonometry. Secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. We have to solve it and find the answer. They have also given the option as option A secant A, B sin A, C cosecant A and D cos A. Let us solve the sum. Let us write everything in the simplified form. Cos A, secant A can be written as 1 by cos A and tan A can be written as sin A by cos A. Into 1 minus sin A. We get 1 plus sin A divided by cos A into 1 minus sin A. According to the formula, A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. We get 1 square minus sin square A divided by cos A. We also know that 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A by our identity divided by cos A. Cos square A divided by cos A is cos A. So we get the option D as the answer. Now let us do the fourth subdivision. Let's see what is the question. 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. It also has options. Option A secant square A, option B minus 1, option C cot square A and option D tan square A. Let us solve the problem. We know the formula secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. And we also know that cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. By substituting the identities in the question, we get secant square A divided by cosecant square A. We also know that secant A is 1 by cos A and cosecant A is 1 by sin A. Substituting them, 1 by cos square A, the whole divided by 1 by sin square A. By the formula A by B, the whole divided by C by D is equal to A by B into D by C. Rearranging the terms, we get 1 by cos square A into sin square A by 1. That is sin square A divided by cos square A, that is tan square A. We get that to be option D. Thank you. Happy learning.